Guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make an arc in AutoCAD. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The arc command is right over here in the draw toolbar of AutoCAD, and today we are going to even know about the 11 different ways to draw an arc, about the specifications you have or the values you have, right? So let's start with the most basic arc, which is a 3 point arc, in which you have, as the name suggests, you have to specify the 3 points of the arc, and that's it. And you can make the arc as simple as possible. That's it. So as the name suggests that it is a 3 point arc, as you can see over here, one, two, and three. You have to specify 3 points to make this arc. So the second arc which we are going to learn about is the start, center, end arc. So for this you have to specify first the start point of the arc. Then you have to specify the center point. Center point means the if you make a line towards the two ends of the arc, then this is going to be its center, right? So you have to specify the first point, then you have to specify the center point, and then you have to move your cursor as as a clock moves, or the specific angle that you want for the arc. You have to make that, and that's how you can see on my screen. It is that easy to make a arc. The third way is by start, center, and then you have to specify the angle of the arc, right? So again, as the name suggests, you have to first specify the start point of the arc, then you have to specify the center point of the arc, and then you have to specify the specific angle that you want for your arc. Okay, so that's how simple you can make the arc. Then the fourth one is the start, center, and length arc. So I'm sure you're pretty smart to understand the type of arc by their names only. So in this also we have to first specify the start point of the arc, then we have to specify the center point of the arc, and then we have to specify the length of the arc that we want, and it will make a arc with the whatever length that we have mentioned to it, to the system, right? Then the fifth type of is the start and angle. Okay, so as the name suggests, you have first specified the first point, the starting point, then the ending point, and then the angle of bulging that you want in your arc. You have to specify about that. As you can see on my screen, it's showing the option of what angle of bulging that I want in my arc. You can do it over here. Okay, after making this all arcs, then we are moving towards the next is the start and direction arc. Okay, so here we have to first specify the start point, then we have to specify the end point of the arc, and then we have to specify the length, and length that we, in which angle do we want it to go. You have to specify that and just click, and that's easy. You that make an arc. The next way to do is the start and the radius of the arc. So here we have to specify the start point, then we have to specify the end point, and then you have to specify the radius of the arc that you want. It can be in anything that you want, you just specify or type it, and it will make an arc this simple. Moving towards the next is the center start end. The center start end, as the name suggests, first you have to specify the center point of the arc. Let me make it clear again. A circle and its center is the same as the arc and its center. So you have to specify the center point of the arc. Then you have to specify the start point. If it is like a reverse of what we did in the last types, and then you have to specify the angle of the arc that you want. That's it. So this is what it was. So moving towards the next is the center start angle. That is, you have to say the first start point of the arc, then you have to specify the angle that you want. It is same as the start and angle that we did as the fourth type, and then you have to just specify how do you want it to be, and that's it, you can do it. Next is the center start length. This is the reverse of this type of arc that we did as our seventh type. First you have to specify the start point, then we have to specify the center point, and then we have to specify the length of the chord. Let me make it clear again. The length of the chord is the same that you will have of the circle. So many times it's same as a circle only, so you have to specify that length and it will make a arc according to it. Okay, then you have the continue of that arc. If you want to continue that, if you want to make a arc wall or something like that, then you will start doing it as a continuous thing, and you can make a continuous arc. That's it. So this were the 11 types of how to make an arc, and it was this simple. If you want to learn more about AutoCAD and its commands, then subscribe to my channel and share it with someone who may need it.